Talk to me now. Talk to me now.
Hindi pala, kala ko yung stop following letter E, F pala.
Sakto ako.
Oh, we go here, we go.
Saktong sakto.
Oh, I way? Really?
Grabe,
Oh,
pre.
shit.
Really?
Nakakairita naman yung boses ng gago na to, pre.
Really?
I don't think these guys get a popular subscriber, bro.
Really? Oh, ano popular subscriber? Really?
Fuck, I'm dead.
Oh, we go here, bro. We go here. Wallahi, we're finished.
Hitler, sundan mo, Carl, sundan mo. I will lead you to victory. I will lead you to victory.
Go, brother. Go.
Come here.
Oh,
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Sir, come here, sir.
let's go, sir.
I will lead you to victory.
Talk to me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Talk to us, talk to us.
Yes, sir. Sir, come here, sir.
Wait lang, pre.
Sir.
Wait, pre, I'm sorry, bro. I have no armor.
Lakin.
Locked in. I'm locked in. Let's go.
Okay, come here, sir. Come here. I will lead you to victory. I will lead you to victory. I will lead you to
Move.
victory. Right here. On me.
Ah, in front.
I will lead you to victory. I will lead you to victory. Clark, push him.
Walang back, boys.
I will lead you to
Walahi.
I will lead you to victory. Come here, sir. I will lead you to victory.
Ah, Miguel!
Fuck.
I will lead you to
Outside.
victory. I will lead you to victory. Kapitan Gago! That's it!
Don.
I will lead you to victory!
Ang ginawa ko
Walahi, we're cooked.
Babi
Walahi, we're finished.
Clar, pinipin ko naman, Clar. Paano mo siya hindi nakikita, Clar?
Wala akong bahala, gago. Gaano?
Okay, Daddy. We might be a
Grabe.
little bit off here. But it's okay.
Yes, gula.
Amazing,
brother.
Daddy. Amazing drop.
Bismillah!
We're the first ones here,
Bismillah!
but we're the last ones going to drop.
Bismillah! Allahu Akbar!
Ah, shit. Here we go again.
Daddy, let's go here, okay? I want you to talk to me and trust me, okay?
Paano mag-tingin
Yes, Daddy. Yeah. Oh, shit, Daddy.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
shit.
okay. It's okay. Trust me now.
It's okay. Let's go.
Bupugin mo! Birim up! Oh, shit! Daddy, right there!
Get this guy. Hurra.
Daddy,
Very
I trust you,
cool.
okay? Oh!
One here, Daddy. Oh my God, we got destroyed. Nah.
Daddy, ay,
All my friends are hearing. Daddy, I think we go right here, okay?
Where? I see.
All my friends are hearing, taking slow.
oh, iba na naman pinuntahan ko.
Wait for me to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden move. You don't know the half of the abuse.
What the
Oh, putang ina. Pre, dalawang machine gun. Run it, gago.
Walang weapon, let's run it back.
Gago, ba't nag-punch ako, pre? Ba't nag-punch?
I'm sorry, Daddy, I need this weapon.
Yes, sir. It's okay, okay?
Let's go, fuck it.
Just take everything you need.
We're going in, guys.
Okay, wait for me.
We're going in, brothers.
How do I stop punching? Ba't nag-punch ako paulit-ulit?
Mag left click ka. Back away. Just to the music doesn't mean the brains will change from hand
Ah,
to hand.
gago.
You think that I get you sitting next to you. You think that I get you sitting next to you. You think that I get you sitting next to you. After all I said, please don't forget, all my friends are here and taking slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. God, I cannot get in, okay? Talk to me now. Talk to me now.
Uy, putang. Oh, fuck.
Dodgy, are you okay? Gago, pre. Ang daming patay na katawan, pre. Ang lala.
Legit. May
Aris?
nag-sniper sa akin. May
Aris,
nag-sniper,
talk to me.
pre. May
Aris, talk to
nag-sniper
me.
sa malayo.
Gago.
Nice.
No, Aris, talk to me, Aris. No. We win some, we lose some.
Actually, good strike na tayo, gago.
Yes, but we lost a brother. We lost a brother indeed.
It's okay. It's trauma.
Pilas na.
Oh shit, Gano.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Talk to me.
Oh fuck, the fucking mortar, daddy.
No, it's okay. Talk to me now. Talk to me now. Talk to me now, okay?
Shit, kung shotgun na lang ako, gago.
Putangin na. Ang daming loot. Grabe.
May nag-sniper pala dito kanina.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pre, pinatay yung brothers in arm natin, pre. We need to avenge.
Eh, gago na, wala man ano niya. No, wala man, pre.
May naga-mortar man. Ayun na, yun na. Ayun na. On my ping, on my ping, on my ping.
Wala man, pre. Nawawala man ano yung Aris.
Hindi, nandyan.
Ano na
nandyan.
nawawala? Nandyan man yan.
Ayun na.
Ah, legit ba? Ba't parang walang green? Ay, nasa
Ayun,
sa Apex ang ata yun.
Ano, walang green Claire, Apex yun. Sabi ka.
It's right there.
Wala, pre, wala, pre.
Knock, Clark,
Oh,
push.
let's go. Lagyan sa bot, pull up.
Go to the
Lagyan sa
left,
bot,
go to
pull
the
up.
right. Make it up and down. Nice one, Claire.
Bakit?
Pull up.
Wait ako.
Okay.
Sige,
Kunin.
kailan mo.
Asan yung katawan ni
Wait
Aris?
lang, pinipinip mo na barrel actually.
Aris, ang katawan mo, Aris?
Sa ping ko. Ayun. Hindi. Dun sa isa. Sa right. Ayun, dun sa my fence.
Yes, sir. Aris secured. I secured Aris, Dodgy. Come here, come with me. Dodgy. Come with me.
Let's go.
Hit him. I think I hit him, Dodgy. Let's go. Go to the left, go to the right.
Go.
SWAT team coming up. Yes, sir. FBI, open up.
Dead na isa, dead isa. Actually, wala isang squad eh.
Oh, dead.
Knock!
No.
Ay, gago na, tulo na to.
May nag-rush na isa pa.
No! Yes. Shit. Oh shit, no, naiba ko ba't ganun? Wait lang pre ah. Do you trust me? Claire, may first aid. Claire, do you trust me, Claire?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I trust you.
Do you trust me? Okay, Daddy, hold on, okay? Okay? I want you to trust me, okay? Okay? Hello?
Submachine gun, dad. I can't.
Gabrihin mo na sa deck.
I need to push.
Di, wag, Aris, wag ka mag-push. Ako bala, may sniper ako.
Sige, dito na ako sa baba. Tingnan ko bababa siya.
Wait lang, pre, heal mo na. Tangin na.
Sige lang.
Hindi na lang na-damage yan eh.
Sige lang, sige lang. Kita ko siya.
He did damage you. He damage you, daddy. We fuck him up. Okay? He damage your daddy, we kill him. Okay?
Nadamagean ko rin siya. Nataman ko siya ng car.
Gago dito siya, dito sa akin. Dito sa box na yan.
Ah, okay.
Bumaba na siya.
Parang mag-isa lang man yan, pre.
Yun na nga.
Ay, gago ka.
Oo.
Tatlo sila.
Ika siya.
Nakwan!
I'm pushing.
May bomba kayo?
Wala.
Bombay nyo daw yung window?
Wala akong bomba. I
Shit,
tried to
please.
push, and just here.
No.
And just here hiding.
Shit, di ko, ayun, okay, nasa window siya. Nasa window.
Car should be pushed. Ano to?
Kalma lang.
Kalma lang. Kita ko siya. Aris,
Ayun,
nasa
umakit
window.
na.
Meron rin
Kita
sa
ko,
second floor.
dalaw sila. Meron dito.
Kaya nga meron rin sa second floor. Meron rin sa left side ko.
Oo,
Meron sa left side ko.
Di ako nag-push.
Uy, Aris! Gago ka! Tangin na.
I'm trying to find somebody. They're hiding.
Naktuan!
I know.
Push yun na.
Dito sa kabila ng wall.
Wala sila dito sa taas.
Sa katiba ng wall, sa kabila ng wall. Sa likod mo sa map.
Ah, one! Last
Gago na lang
one!
bala, sayang.
Last one! Nice one!
Down,
Wait,
patay.
wait.
He's dead.
Oh my god.
Do you trust me?
Fuck him up.
Gago ko! Ay, kotse ba yan?
Kala ko. Kotse,
Kotse ba?
kotse.
Flare na yan.
Flare gun yan na kotse. Gago, sana all yung flare gun.
Okay.
Tayo na ba nila nagagawa yun? Basta pagkano ko dati, nag-flare gun din ako na ganyan eh.
Di ba wala ka sa zone?
Oo nga pala, no?
Nakakalot.
Dapat pala sa zone pala. Pero paano mag-option nun? Pwede item tsaka ano eh.
Tara pre, punta na natin yun.
Ah,
Nagalaban sila. Let's go.
Okay, go.
Ah, binabaril ako. Di ko alam kung saan.
Aray ko. Sa southeast siguro.
Gago, may nabaril din ako. Oh
Dito
shit.
sa south.
Dito sa likod. Dito.
Ano pre, wala, may heals ba kayo?
Wala.
Sa south.
Actually, meron ako. Oh shit, meron ako.
Pa-drop na ako.
Ganito, baba ka dito. Bandage. I drop
Ah,
bandage.
kita ko sila.
Sige. Sorry. Ay gago, meron din pala sa likod natin na Aris, gago.
Dito, on my ping. On my ping.
Oo nga. Sa bahay. Sa bahay man yung, ano ba yung ping mo? Kulay blue. Ayun nga pala
Kulay
dun.
blue. Wala, tumatakbo na
Is he
sila.
I don't see them.
Ayan o. Ay, may
Ping
new squad.
Ping ulit.
Binubunggo Manila, pre. On me. Nanak ako. Gina-finish ako, new squad. Oh.
Oo nga, pupunta na kami.
Gago, walang matemano doon sa kotse na yan.
Dalawang squad yan,
Ay,
dalawang
yes,
squad yan, ha.
Easy. Gagi, kita ko isang squad.
Pre, kunin nyo yung chip ko. Pwede nyo pa kayo revive. Claire. Sige, Claire.
Ako?
Magdapa ka, Claire. Dapa ka, Claire. Go, Claire.
Hindi. Actually, I might be dead. Pick up ko na. Ay, shit. Nakatingin sa atin natin.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Ako.
Tatlo sila nakatingin sa
Andiyan.
atin. Tatlo sa atin nakatingin.
May smoke
Isa
grenade
dito
kayo?
sa-
May smoke grenade kayo?
Isa
Wala.
tatlo dito.
Okay,
Dalawang isa dito.
natamaan ni Aris.
Pinupush kaya ako?
Wala.
Makita ko sila. Hi, Claire. Come here.
Yes, sir.
I'm scared.
They're
Daddy.
not pushing. They're scared of us. They don't know.
Nakatingin.
They're scared of us. They're not pushing. Oh fuck, they're pushing now!
Huwag ka mag-pick, huwag ka mag-pick, huwag ka mag-pick, huwag ka mag-pick.
Nakuha mo ba yung ano ni Jano? Nakuha mo ba yung ano ni Jano?
Hindi, tinry ko nga eh.
Chaji.
They're on top of us, over here.
Chaji, oh my god, so risky. O, takbo na kayo, takbo na kayo, takbo na kayo. May ano pa, may reboot pa sa bootcamp, bootcamp. Takbo na, takbo na. Aris, tumakbo ka na, Aris, tumakbo ka na.
Go car, go car! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Chaji, no!
Ah!
Just keep on running, Chaji, just keep on running.
Big luck, nigga!
Oh my god, nanakdown ni Claire, nanakdown ni Claire, nanakdown ni Claire, isa. 2v2, 2v2, 2v2.
Ay, tama. Down ako.
Nasa taas ng bato.
Claire, come here, Claire.
Mag-revive.
They're smoking, Claire. Baka din sa Claire,
Palsa tayo gago.
Takbo na kayo, Fred,
Sabay na
takbo
ako
na
na
kayo.
time sa revive.
Ay,
Baka
gago,
patay
wala
ako.
na, wala na.
Patay
Huwag nyo
yung
na
zone.
revive, huwag nyo na revive, huwag nyo na revive. Closing na yung zone.
Oh, patay ako. Go, Claire. Leave me alone, Claire. Go. Get out of here, Claire. Get out.
Ay, gago, Claire, ang bilis ng zone. Patay ka rin ata.
Fuck, wala man akong heal pre, gago, kahit isa.
Sa akin lahat ng heal.
Sayang, pre.
Fuck, gamit ko lahat. Do you trust me?
Chaji! Chaji, yes!
Tangina,
It's all
wala
on you,
akong-
Claire. It's all on you, Claire. It's all on you.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Watch King Kong 4321. How he plays the game.
Ah, dali!
Gago,
Oh,
sayang.
damn.